So yes, tires and wheels are back on. Measuring has discovered that the front end is a 1/2 inch to the driver's side. So we're gonna have to pull it. So the wheels were put back on and we are going to pull that nose back over a 1/2 inch. I didn't show you the bed the last time.
As we don't have a frame machine, we used what we had on hand. We used a tractor, a good chain, made a little bracket to bolt to the body, supported the frame with blocks to keep the body from squatting, and changed it to a fairly immobile device. This is actually with all the chains under pressure. The body needed to come a 1/2 inch to the driver's side, and now with tension on it, we have 58 inches this way. And 57.5 this way. When we let the tension off, we were within an 1/8 inch.
So this is the current status. Excuse my voice. I've got a cold and laryngitis. So after a little bit of washing, this is what we found underneath. And then this is the chassis. So I think we can probably do some interesting things with this. We'll see where it goes.